Would you use vending machines?
Yeah.
Yes.
Not really, no.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Why do you think vending machines were taken out?
Because it was like a lot of junk food and they would like sell out fast.
Because they're stealing people's money.
Probably because there was a lot of unhealthy stuff.
Because it was taking people's money.
So junk food. People would like bang on them. They would probably fight for them.
Because people would shake them.
Because not that much people use them anymore.
What would you like to see in the vending machine?
Chips, gummy bears,
Drinks and food.
unhealthy stuff.
Food and chips and drinks.
Some healthy snacks and some junk food, not so many.
How
Chips, healthy chips, like fruit snacks.
And chips. Gatorade.
Or healthier snacks.
long will you think they will last?
Like a year.
A month.
A month?
Probably like a year or two.
A year.
Like 2 to 3 years.
A few years.
Not very long.